Hello everyone, I'm Shanviri and today we are back with another question. This is the third question of lead code, longest substring without repeating characters. So in this question we have been given a string called s and we have to find the length of a substring, means a smaller part of that big string such that it does not contain any repeating characters. If, for example, we encountered an a before already inside the string, then we do not have to encounter an a afterwards. For example, we have been given this string called abc abcbb. If we start moving from this a and we keep moving on b c, then we'll encounter another substring called a, which means that a is now being repeated and hence our longest substring till now will be abc. Once we are done with this, we'll remove a from our string, and we'll move on to the next element, which is b. B, C, A, B. We encounter another repeating element, and that is why we do not consider this, and we'll leave A, B, and then we'll continue with C. Do you notice how this is a very recursive approach? And the output is ABC because it is the longest nearest substring without any repeating characters. So let's get started with the code. In this question, we'll be following a sliding window or a two-pointer approach. In the two-pointer approach, we take 2 points. One point is at the first element, the second point will be next to that element, and we'll check if the elements are same, if the elements are being repeated. For example, if we are here at b, if our left pointer is at b and our right pointer is at b, our a pointer will be equal to our b pointer because b is b, right? So we'll only have the largest non-repeating substring as b, which is 1. So let's just get started with the code. First of all, we'll initialize 2 pointers as 0, and what we have to do is find the maximum element, hence will also maximum substring, which will be the smallest substring. We'll be creating a set called hash set of characters. Hash set equals new hash set. We are creating a hash set because in this hash set we'll be storing the elements and we'll be keeping account if the our current element, which we are iterating over currently, if it has been encountered before or not. So while our p pointer, which means a pointer which is comparing our a pointer, is less than the string's length, if this is so, then we'll move forward. We'll check if our hash set, in which we are currently storing elements, contains the character at the pointer. If it does not contain a character, the character we are found trying to find, which means it does not have the repeating character, then we'll simply add it to our hash set. S dot share at the pointer. This basically means that we did not find a repeating element and hence we added that element inside our set, hash set, and then we'll simply do b pointer plus plus. That is, we are now moving on to the next element. We also have to keep a check on the maximum element if we encountered a repeating character or a string or not. Hash set dot size max. This max element keeps a track over if we have found our maximum substring, or if we have not found our maximum substring yet, we'll just skip the current element and we'll move on to the next pointer where we have done this. If this is the condition, else. If this is not the condition, then we'll simply rem- Like for example, if we encountered a same element, then we'll just remove it from our hash set because we do not want any repeating characters. S dot char at a pointer. We'll simply remove the element which we have encountered again, and we'll simply move forward, and then we'll return max because we have to return our max substring, and this should do it. Oops, I see a mistake here. 4. Let's submit it again. So, do you notice how we use a two pointer approach to solve these questions very easily? Because it is very easy to compare two pointers or compare two elements with each other. And that is why two pointer or sliding approach is the best approach to such questions where we have to keep iterating over each element again and again to find our output. Thank you.